This instructional video highlights the Vacancy Predictor feature, an integral pre-SOAP feature of Match a Residence post-match prep service. This tool is meticulously designed to help you prepare ahead of the Supplemental Offer and Acceptance Program, SOAP, by providing insights into specialties and programs that historically have had higher vacancy rates. Understanding which programs to prepare for is essential, and the Vacancy Predictor is here to guide you through this process with precision and strategic foresight. First, let's clarify. The Vacancy Predictor tool is not a list of currently unfilled programs for the upcoming season. Instead, it's an innovative predictive tool developed by leveraging MAR AI. Through analyzing search behaviors of our members across the last 5 SOAP seasons, we've identified top specialties and programs that frequently show up as unfilled. This insight allows you to prepare new supporting documents tailored to these high-probability programs and specialties, enhancing your readiness for SOAP. The core of the Vacancy Predictor is the Vacancy Probability List. This list ranks programs not only by their historical vacancy probability, but also by how compatible they are with your profile. The top programs are displayed with a vacant probability indicator, defaulting to those with the highest likelihood of being unfilled, and are adorned with a gold trophy for quick recognition. All 5 top specialties known for higher unfilled rates are displayed by default. However, you have the flexibility to filter the list based on one or multiple specialties of your choice. Additionally, you can sort this list by setting or geographic preference, tailoring it to meet your specific needs and preferences. Each program's vacancy probability is represented by a probability level, ranging from very high to very low, further detailed by dots. Each dot corresponds to a year from the past 5 seasons, with more recent vacancies carrying greater weight in determining the probability level. This visualization aids in understanding the likelihood of a program's vacancy based on recent trends. It's crucial to remember that the actual list of unfilled programs for the current season you will need to obtain from the NRMP's R3 system on the first day of SOAP. At that point, we strongly recommend transitioning to the SOAP Compatibility Checker tool of the post-match SOAP prep service. This feature allows you to search and compile a list of the top 45 programs based on real-time vacancies and your qualifications, potentially including many from this Vacancy Predictor list. By taking advantage of this Vacancy Predictor feature, you're not just preparing for SOAP. You're strategically positioning yourself with knowledge and documentation tailored to programs with a historical likelihood of vacancies. This preparation is invaluable, providing a substantial advantage as you actively commence your search for unfilled programs during SOAP. This deliberate strategy ensures you're not only ready, but also equipped with a strategy that maximizes your chances of success during the SOAP process. Start your preparation today with Match a Residence post-match SOAP prep tools and enter SOAP with confidence and a clear plan of action. Good luck.